it too. Well,
Okay, yeah, I'll do it too.
Yeah, you can videotape. Man, I'm already impressed with this white carpet. Show your camera down.
Yeah, I already took a before picture too.
Yeah, because I got pictures of it bad.
So and we got it like right there. But
this isn't going to mark it up. I mean, walking on it.
No, you're fine walking on it.
Oh, Jesus, God, that is awesome. I can tell you right now.
Look at that.
Oh, my God. What?
Pretty.
Well, look at how good it looks in here. My God, yes.
Looks nice in here, too.
Oh, my God. You're damn good. I mean, you're really, I have to film it. I have to. No, I mean, everybody's going to be shocked.
No, you're good. I'm filming it too.
Well, we're going to go to the Eagles, too, so they'll also.
Well, and the video I took before, I said, I love doing this. I get so excited because
I'm telling you, this
how excited my
guy,
clients get. So
this had
here's the after right
wine
here.
stain and everything around where the bar is.
Oh yeah, it was pretty thick. And
Yeah, it was.
especially right
bad.
here.
Right
Got that all
here
cleaned
was
up.
really bad. Now I have before pictures, so I know it was.
Yeah.
This is fabulous.
You've done a good job.
Well,
You've done a good job.
I'm very
worth
proud
trying.
of you. I'm very, very. This is Global Green that did this carpet, and I didn't want to make him move this big stuff or anything, so I didn't care about it. Because you guys all know that we all drink, dance, and
yeah.
sing.
Well, and she has the best collection ever too. So
Yeah.
we got Star Wars galore down here.
And knives.
And knives and swords, but.
Hey, he's good. There he is.
Hi.
Fabulous.
Good. You did a good job.
Well, we're glad to do a good job for you. So.
You really did. And also we can redo it and then put a carpet in there. I mean, up.
Yeah, when you do upstairs.
Yeah,
we'll
and
do the
also
other part,
this
yeah.
right here, we have to keep up
So.
the continuity because I do go through about 20. God, Eunice is going to be shocked, isn't she?
Yeah.
She's got one of the great big dogs. They're
Yeah.
north. What do you call their?